Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing my channel. I have taken a question today, Math Olympiad, that is your uh, based on number theory. Find all positive integral solution of 2 power n minus 3 power n equals to 1. So this is a classical problem of number theory. We will analyze this equation with modulo of small numbers and explain. So first we'll take n equals to 1. When n equals to 1, then 2 power n equals to 1 plus 3 to the power n I have taken as 1. So 1 plus 3, this is equal to 4. So immediately I am getting the solution 2 to the power m equals to 2 to the power 2 for m equals to 2. So mn 2 1 is a solution. So next I'll take case 2. N is greater than equal to 2. Let us take n is 2. So then what will happen? 2 to the power m minus 3 to the power 2 equals to 1, and 2 to the power m equals to your 1 plus 9, that is 10. So positive integer of m is not possible. This gives m is not your integer. Now taking when it will be greater than 2. Equals to 2 not possible. It's not. So that what will happen? Now I'll go for number theory concept, that is modulo 3. Consider this equation with modulo 3. Two to the power n minus 3 to the power n equals to 1. So this is number 3 to the power n is multiple of 3. So any power n, it will be multiple of 3. Now 2 to the power n, that time will be congruent to 1 modulo 3. Now let us see the cycle of 3. 2 power n, I am going for m is equal to 1. 2 power n is congruent to 2 modulo 3. And 2 to the power 2 is congruent to 1 modulo 3. 2 to the power 3 is congruent to here again 2 modulo 3, and 2 to the power 4 is congruent to 1 modulo 3. So it is a cycle of 2 1 2 1. So what does it mean? It means that m must be a even number. So if m is an even number, let m equals to 2i's k for some integer of some positive integer of k. Then 2 power n equals to 2 power k equals to, it is even number, so it will be, I am taking twice k, then 2 to the power k square. So what is the original equation now? It was 2 to the power m equals to 3 to the power n plus 1. So now I can write 2 to the power k square equals to 3 to the power n plus 1, or 2 to the power k square minus 1 equals to 3 to the power n. So this left hand side I can write 2 to the power k plus 1 into 2 to the power k minus 1 equals to 3 to the power n. 3 to the power n I may write 3 to the power a plus b, taking a and b are integers, and where a plus b is n, and let a is less than b. Then 2 to the power k minus 1, I may write 3 to the power a, and 2 to the power k plus 1 equals to 3 to the power b, where a plus b equals to n. Then 2 to the power k plus 1 minus 2 to the power k minus 1 can be written as 3 to the power b minus 3 to the power a, which should be 2. But 3 to the power a, if I take common, then 3 to the power b minus a minus 1 equals to 2. So left hand side LHS is a multiple of 3, where RHS is multiple of 2. Then we reach at contradiction. So n cannot be more than equals to 2. So 2 and 1 is only solution. What's positive integral? Thank you for watching.